Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to take you to a few stores. I'm going to show you what they have out for spring. I am so excited to decorate for spring this season. So let's head on out and see what they have. So the first store that I'm going to take you into is TJ Maxx, and I was so in love with all of these dream catchers that they had in here. They were so pretty, and I loved that they were in all these beautiful neutral colors. They also had these wall pieces that were like that macrame boho style look. I don't know what these are called exactly, but they are so pretty, and adding these to a wall adds a lot of warmth and texture, and I just think they're so beautiful. I also found these placemats that were tucked away in the clearance aisle, and I thought that they would look so pretty on my wall with some of my other placemats. If you haven't seen any of those videos, go ahead and check them out. You will love them, and it gives you a really good idea to just kind of add something to your wall. Now I'm going to take you into Joann's, and I was loving all of the bee decor that they had. I love decorating with bees during the summertime. I love the little pops of yellow, and I think the bees are just so adorable, and I was really loving all of that. They didn't have a ton out, but what they did have out I really did like, and normally their prices are kind of high, but you can catch some really good sales in here, and plus they do send out coupons as well. Okay, so now we're in Michael's, and like I said earlier, I love any type of bead decor, and these tins were so incredibly pretty. I loved them. I loved that they had that white chippy look to them, and they had the bees on them. I just absolutely loved it. I love everything that Michael's had in here. They did have a sale going. Normally in here, the prices are kind of high, but like Joann's, you can catch some really good deals in here, and plus they do send out coupons. If neutral is what you are going for in the look of your home right now, Michaels definitely had so much to choose from. These pillows were absolutely beautiful. They also had a ton of different wall pieces to choose from in that neutral type decor. I love the blue. I've always been into that blue, and it just really goes with everything neutral. And again, they had a ton of bee decor in here, which I was really loving. Okay, so now I'm going to take you into Hobby Lobby, and I was loving this kitchen decor with the bees. I'm definitely going to decorate with that look this spring, summer. I just think it's so adorable. And here they also had those placemats, and I did buy a few of my placemats that I am using right now in my home to decorate my wall, or how I decorated my wall. These would look beautiful as a table setting as well, which obviously that's what they're for, but if you want like some ideas to kind of use them in other ways, adding a few of these to a wall kind of like spread out looks so pretty, and it gives that neutral look with that boho style. I really, really love that right now. They did have a few different to choose from, and I have been asked where I do get my placemats, and I did get my placemats that I have now here, and I did get a few of them at Big Lots last year. So I do get a ton of questions about this little caddy that I use for my dish soap and hand soap that I have by my sink, and this is where I purchased it. And right now all of their spring decor is on sale at 40% off, and if you do see something that is not in the spring collection and it's not on sale, wait for the following week, because that's how Hobby Lobby works with their sales if you don't already know. So you can always get a really good deal in here. I think there are only a few items that never go on sale, but you can always go online, download the app, and use your 40% off coupon for those. Okay, so now I'm home and I'm just going to kind of show you a few things that I did end up purchasing. I did go to the Dollar Tree as well. I didn't film that, but I'm going to show you what I did get there because I will be making a craft. I got these little pots. They are so cute. I'm going to paint these white and add these flowers here, and I'm just going to be using these little styrofoam balls. I'm going to glue them down into those pots and then add these really pretty flowers, and I will do a video showing how I do that. I'm also going to add this rope right here around the top part of the pot. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it, but I will do a video kind of showing you what I do and how I plan on putting that all together. I also purchased a few books when I was at the Dollar Tree, and I will make a craft out of this. I plan on taking this paper cover off. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint the outside or add a really pretty paper, but I did find some books at the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm going to use those for. Also, when I was at TJ Maxx, I did end up buying these placemats, and I plan on putting them over here on the wall. I'm going to kind of add them to the placemats that I have up here already. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I will leave a link up here. And then when I was at Hobby Lobby, I purchased these paints. I got a gold. I'm going to paint the outside of the book, like where the paper is, and then I got this chalk paint. And I also purchased some moss when I was there. This is going to go in a pot that I have in my bedroom. And then this is the paper that I was talking about. I might use this paper for the outside of those books. That is it for today's video. I hope that you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up, Also, if you are new, make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video. I hope you guys all have an amazing day. Bye.